What's up, everyone? This is Mr. Eldridge, and today's history lesson is on the Whiskey Rebellion. The Whiskey Rebellion was a significant event in early American history that unfolded in the late 18th century. It emerged as a protest against the federal government's imposition of an excise tax on distilled spirits, particularly whiskey, in 1791. The tax was proposed by Alexander Hamilton, the Secretary of the Treasury, as a means to generate revenue to pay off the national debt incurred during the American Revolutionary War. However, this tax disproportionately affected Western Pennsylvania farmers and distillers who relied on whiskey production as a crucial source of income. Tensions escalated over the years as a resistance to the tax grew stronger. The climax came in 1794, when armed protesters in western Pennsylvania, often referred to as whiskey rebels, clashed with federal authorities. President George Washington, recognizing the need to assert federal authority, personally led a militia force to quell the rebellion. The rebellion ultimately collapsed without a major confrontation, and a few rebels were arrested. This event marked a critical moment in the early history of the United States, as it demonstrated the federal government's willingness and ability to enforce its laws, thereby strengthening the authority of the federal government and the rule of law in the new nation. Thank you so much for paying attention to this video. If you have not subscribed to this channel, please go ahead and do that right now. Thank you so much, and have a great day.